you're serious about improving your trading results and becoming much more profitable, TradesViz or TraderSync might seem like the obvious solution, but choosing the wrong one for your style could hold you back. After testing both extensively, I discovered the winner. One platform consistently enhanced my process, while the other added unnecessary complexity. Let's break down TradesViz versus TraderSync and see if they're overrated, overpriced, or actually worth it. The truth is, TradesViz versus TraderSync isn't just about features, it's about your entire trading personality. They are built for completely different mindsets. TradesViz is a data powerhouse. It's built for the quant-minded trader who wants to slice and dice performance from every possible angle. Think hundreds of statistics, custom dashboards, pivoting tools for options flow, and even a built-in backtester. If you love spreadsheets and you want to run complex queries on your trading history, TradesViz is built for that depth. Now, TraderSync comes from a completely different angle. It's less about overwhelming you with data and more about guiding your improvement. Its strength isn't just in showing you the data, but actually helping you act on it and know what to do with it. So we're talking like a reliable autosync from dozens of brokers, clear and actionable trade reports, and tools built for review and coaching. So its whole design asks, did you follow your plan? And then it shows you exactly what happened when you didn't. For me, this focus on like process and discipline was a game changer. And I think you can already tell what the result is going to be. But don't just take my word for it, right? Like when I'm talking about these features, like when I looked into TraderSync reviews, one user's experience really stood out. He raved about the software, stating that it's great and that he had tried a few other platforms, but that nothing compares to TraderSync for him. He said he especially likes the option to create custom tags and use trade replay. He emphasized the multitude of stats, noting that you can really dig deep into your trades if you want, and confirmed that he uses it for options, stocks, and crypto. He ended by strongly recommending it. So this gets to the heart of the TradesViz versus TraderSync difference. TradesViz gives you a deeper data lab. So much information, so much data, it's totally packed in there. If you know how to do it, if you know how to use all that information, it's gold. TraderSync gives you a clearer path to improvement, and it helps you along the way. It allows you to dig deep into information, but for most traders, that guided path is what actually moves the needle on your P&L. So now that we understand the core difference between these two journaling platforms and who they appeal to, let's dig into what you're actually getting when you sign up. Every major tool and every feature. So I tested everything, and the gap in daily usability between them became pretty obvious. TraderSync's biggest advantage is how it translates data into actionable steps. It's not just a journal, it's like having a trading coach built into your review process. One of my absolute favorite features is the strategy checker. This tool is a discipline engine. So you set your trading rules, things like never risk more than 2% per trade, or always take profit at a 2-to-1 risk reward. And TraderSync automatically flags every single trade where you broke them. It doesn't just show you a statistic, it shows you the exact trades that hurt you and the ones where following your plan paid off for you. So this alone really helped me tighten up my execution massively. It was a really huge help when it comes to understanding where I went wrong, where I deviated from my plan. Then there's the TraderSync custom filtering feature. TradesViz is known for its intensely deep filtering, but TraderSync has closed that gap more narrowly with a really powerful yet user-friendly query builder. I could ask really complex questions like, show me all my losing trades on tech stocks where I entered in the first hour of the market. And I can do that in just a few clicks, and it gives me that deep dive information without needing like a PhD in data science. So for us technical traders, the new chart-focused trade details page is also a real winner. It puts the price chart front and center when you review a trade, so you can immediately see your entry against key levels, your stop, your target. It really makes the review process visual and intuitive, which is how most of us think, right? Features like rolling exit and flexible reporting between gross, net P&L, and R multiples show that they also understand traders pretty well and know how to give them what they want. So rolling exit lets you see these what-if scenarios, which is gold for working on your exit strategies. And switching my view to R multiple helped me focus on risk first, profit second, sometimes, which was a crucial mindset shift, although sometimes I do get a bit ahead of my britches. They also support a huge range of assets from Forex and US stocks to options, crypto, futures, everything you can think of. And their backtesting functionality also allows you to test systematic strategies. And there's more, like they are constantly rolling out software updates and new features, which tells me the platform is actively evolving and improving. This focus on tangible improvement is not just my experience either. This is a sentiment that is echoed in the communities where serious traders gather and where people are talking about, different things that they run into, different trades that they make. I was reading through a detailed Reddit thread where a respected trading educator broke down his essential tools, and his first recommendation, even before expensive charting software or like different courses, or like he was recommending a robust trading journal. He specifically mentioned using TraderSync, highlighting two key things that stood out to me. So first, he noted that the TraderSync team was actively responsive to user feedback. His community needed a way to show multiple public trading profiles, and TraderSync agreed to actually build that feature specifically for them. So that says a lot about a company that listens and adapts to its users' real needs. Second, and this connects directly to you, he shared a partnership link for a lasting discount. That underscores that for those in the know, TraderSync is a valued, recommended tool, and that there are some discount codes that you can use to save money. But before you go looking on Reddit for that comment with the discount code, we've actually done the same for you. We've partnered with TraderSync to secure an exclusive discount for our viewers, so you can find that special link in the description below to get started. It's this testament to, I think, any platform that stands among informed traders and people who know what they're talking about and gets good reviews. And I think it's a great way to use like discount codes to access its tools at a better values, I think. So when you're weighing TradesViz versus TraderSync, TradesViz also has discount codes you can probably find. I think we might have one, but TraderSync's community validation and proven focus on trader success is a significant point to factor in as well. Even review sites like stockbrokers.com have noted TraderSync's advanced capabilities, calling it an advanced platform that automatically records your trades and provides in-depth reports and insights, including analysis powered by AI. He suggested that it's well worth it if you're an active trader looking to level up. Now, TradesViz has a lot of impressive features, and I do want to talk about those. Their built-in trading simulator and claim of 600 plus statistics and different factors is staggering. So for the data-obsessed trader, this is a playground. You can do whatever you want here if you know how to use these tools. There's a lot of depth. They support global markets, including exchanges in the United States, India, Canada, and Australia, plus Forex and crypto. They have a lot of interesting features. I can't get into detail on all of them. I didn't understand some of them myself. But if you want to check those out, definitely see if there's that link in the description below. But of course, for both of these platforms, I do want to mention, neither of them is perfect. Like, they're both excellent when it comes to the tools and the quality, but these platforms are no exception to the rule. So to make the best choice in your TradesViz versus TraderSync decision, you need to know the potential downsides and what's involved. So for TraderSync, I did come across this user review mentioning that he was charged long after he canceled the service. Now, billing issues are serious, and I looked into this. In my experience and from researching further, this one did seem to be a rare customer service hiccup. Any subscription service can have these kinds of problems, so it popped up here and I noticed it. The key is that TraderSync had a responsive support team here, and if there was ever an erroneous charge for you, like the standard practice with your credit card is to just contact the company that gave you the credit card and they can resolve it for you. I've personally had to contact support like a couple times for helping link a broker, and they were really helpful and quick. It's not that big of a deal, but it is something to mention. For TradesViz, the downsides I found in reviews were more concerning for day-to-day use, I think. Multiple users reported issues with data accuracy and speed. One user stated that the data was consistently inaccurate for them, with unreliable profit and loss figures, and that the website operated very slowly, making the service feel overpriced for what they were getting. Another user described the software as a bit clunky, noting that its ability to seamlessly import traded data was marginal at best and that it was particularly ill-suited for handling more complicated spreads, adding that the customer support also wasn't great. So I didn't experience those, but I did notice these comments, and if those are accurate, then it's a bit of a red flag. A trading journal's core job is to have accurate, reliable data, and you can't really trust your numbers if the platform has these glitches or if it's slow, and that kind of defeats the entire purpose, right? Seeing any pattern of these complaints is something to consider. So I recommend looking through reviews, seeing if you like the relative amount of good reviews versus anything you notice. When it comes to the pricing for TradesViz versus TraderSync, both position themselves as premium tools for serious traders, and rightly so. They're both intense, deep tools. TraderSync is an investment for sure, but for the workflow integration, the coaching features, and the reliability, I find that the value is there if you're actively working to improve your trading. If you want to check either of them out, make sure to check the links in the description below for any current pricing. I'll try to keep them updated with any exclusive discounts or promotion deals we've gotten for you. So, after months of testing, where does this TraderSync versus TradesViz battle leave us? Well, you may have guessed, but here's my final take. For the vast majority of traders looking to build discipline, get clear, actionable insights, and learn from it and have a smooth, reliable journaling workflow, then I think TraderSync delivers more consistent value. It's the tool that's more likely to actively improve your trading over time and make you a much more profitable trader. So, yeah, I think TraderSync is the clear winner for me. Use that link in the description to get started and check for any special discounts available for you.